Hi everyone! Welcome to this video where we'll explore the fascinating world of machine learning, or ML for short. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to level up your knowledge, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand what machine learning is, how it works, and why it's transforming the world around us. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, or AI. It enables systems to learn from data and improve over time. Think of machine learning as teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make decisions. For example, when Netflix recommends a show you might like or your email filters out spam, that's machine learning in action. At its core, machine learning works in three simple steps. First, data collection, where you gather relevant data. Second, model training, where algorithms learn patterns from the data. And finally, prediction, where the system makes predictions or decisions based on new data. There are different types of machine learning, each with its own unique approach. Let's dive into them. First, we have supervised learning. This involves learning from labeled data, for example, predicting house prices. Next, there's unsupervised learning. This type focuses on finding patterns in unlabeled data, like customer segmentation. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. This method learns by trial and error, such as training a robot to walk. Now let's talk about some popular machine learning algorithms. First up, linear regression. This is used for predicting continuous values like sales forecasts. Then we have decision trees. These are great for classification and regression tasks, such as making yes or no decisions. Lastly, neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these are used for complex tasks like image recognition. To get started with machine learning, you'll need some tools. First, a programming language. Python is the most popular choice. Next, libraries. TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn make machine learning easier. And platforms. Google Colab and Jupyter Notebooks are great for beginners. The best part? You don't need a supercomputer, just a laptop and an internet connection. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced topics like deep learning, which uses neural networks with multiple layers for tasks like image and speech recognition. Then there's natural language processing, or NLP, which involves teaching machines to understand human language, such as chatbots and translation. Another fascinating area is computer vision, enabling machines to interpret visual data, like facial recognition. And finally, model optimization, which includes techniques like hyperparameter tuning and regularization to improve performance. Machine learning is transforming industries in so many ways. In healthcare, it's being used to diagnose diseases from medical images. In finance, it helps in detecting fraudulent transactions. Gaming is another area where ML is making a mark, by creating intelligent NPCs. And in retail, it's all about personalizing shopping experiences. The possibilities are endless. Ready to start your machine learning journey? Here's how. First, learn Python. It's the most beginner-friendly programming language for ML. Next, take an online course. Platforms like Coursera and EDX offer great ML courses. Then, practice with datasets using platforms like Kaggle to work on real-world problems. Finally, build projects. Start small, like predicting house prices or classifying images. Remember, consistency is key. Machine learning is one of the most exciting fields today, and it's only going to grow. Whether you're looking to switch careers, enhance your skills, or just satisfy your curiosity, now's the perfect time to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.